Hello everyone, Sam is here from my first magicweb.com, making this a small video as a mid-week recap. Today was Wednesday. I did my webinar in the evening as well. I told my subscribers what to do for next, like couple of days, tomorrow and Friday. But anyway, so what really happened, I want to show you something very special in this video, very important, and you're going to like it. It's about the individual index, okay, and you all know that how I track all those individual index means individual currency index. For example, this is in front of you. It is yen index. It's not a pair. You don't trade these. Some people do. You can, but I don't. But I just watch them to see individual currency strength, how this particular currency at the moment is getting strong or weak. So what it really, the advantage is that if you know somehow that, yen probably gonna, its index is gonna go down this way, that means the yen is gonna get strong. Next few days maybe it will be all, getting strong. It should be. The index down, going down, yen gets strong. So if yen gets strong, then you have like 6, 7, 8, maybe 8 or 9 pairs, like pound yen, euro yen, Aussie yen, USD yen, CAD yen, franc yen, New Zealand yen, God knows how many, right? Everywhere yen is on the right hand side. So if yen gets strong, then yen, all those yen pairs will be going down. So basically, if you are right here, right, if you are right in this analysis, that means you'll have 8 possible trades in your hand to pick and choose which one you like. Or maybe you want to trade all of them, I don't know, right? But at least you have an advantage, big advantage. It's not, people are just looking for one trade, one possible trade. Man, so I can make 40 pip, 50 pip. Here, you can have so many trades, big trades, hundreds of pips each. So what really happened here? So, reversal candle, I have this, Elliott wave, this and that, a little bit of work that I learned, and it pays off. Why? Because this is the chart in front of you. I made it, and let me see, when did I make it? April the 17th, saying that, okay, if this start to go down, yen will get strong, and all yen pair will be going down. So I shall be watching those yen pairs on different screens, right? And when they start moving, I know that I'm right, and I'm watching this one as well on a smaller time frame. This is a 29-minute chart setup, but I watch this one on the 7-minute chart. Gives me more clear picture when small moves, when the price start to move, I can see. So and as soon as that start moving here, all those pairs should be moving, right? And if they are moving, what do I have to do then? Press the sell button. That's all, right? So based on this chart, and what happened to this chart, by the way? This is what happened. Okay. So obviously now you know that if it dropped here, that means all yen pair has dropped last week. Can you go check in your MT4? Go check and then see for yourself what happened. But let me show you something real quick. What really happened? Where did that go, man? Is it the one? No. Let me open it quickly. I kind of lost it. Oh, here. Okay. So based on that index, knowing that they're going, Monday was very slow, and then, I couldn't find real setups, good setups. But then Tuesday comes and I says, okay, I start to see a few things. So first one, let me show you, this is what it is. See this? And it was, as it is, it was, from the last week, it was just keep going down. And that's another one that I had. And start to go down, right? This what happened because of, I just showed you the yen index getting strong, and all those yen pairs made the turn and start to go down. Now the beauty is that this system, the system. You can see now how many entries, precise entries, every, it's like blue candle going in, turning, couple of red candles, this indicator is all the way up, boom, open the trade and ride with it. Simple as that. That's what I did here as well. This is on the 4th, this one came down a little bit, and it was, coming down little by little. So, when you have this and the reversal candle, close your trade. Similarly, on the 7th, this is what happened, and then on 8th, I close it, nice and, 670, 80 pip, easy, right? This is one of them. Yen pair, make sure that, you see this, Aussie, yen. And then, Euro yen, again, on the 7th entry, and on 8th, I close it for 90 pips, yen pair. Because of the yen index, I was watching yen index, I was watching all the yen pairs. But how many you can do? You have to manage, you have to focus. So, 3 or 4 maximum, and then you're done. And especially when they will go a long distance. So, don't do too much kind of thing, There was another one, here, on the, see, this is the entry on the 7th, close it on 8 for 70 pip here. So on the 7th, of the Tuesday, I was playing around with these yen pairs, focusing only on yen pairs because yen's index was going down, moving, right? But then something else happened yesterday. And what was that? Trump announced something that he is going to cancel that Iran nuclear deal. And because of that, oil prices start to go up. And because of that, oil is connected to Canadian dollar. And Canadian dollars start to get the benefit and start getting strong. Now, as it is, let me show you what I was looking at as far as the Canadian dollar is concerned. I was looking at that let me just where'd it go? Oh, here. All right, so I've been watching this, when it was coming down, I was watching it for the wave 4, but then it started to go up. Well, not here. See, it was. I made this chart 22nd April. That it will go down here, right? Finishing wave 4, but then it will go up for wave 5. Canadian dollar going up. See the index, yen index I just showed you. Yen is the opposite of all the other indexes. All the other indexes, when they are going up, the currency getting strong. Yen index is just the opposite. Yen index going down, getting strong. Okay, so we just saw the yen index was going down, and the currencies were, the yen was getting strong and sending all the yen pairs to the downside, which I caught 3 of them, nice and clean for 200 pips. That's fine. Thank you very much. And this today, on the 9th, that announcement came, but regardless of the announcement, look at when I made this chart, I knew it long time ago, 22nd April, that we're going to come down here, but then go up for wave 5. Canadian dollar will get strong somehow. So it was going down, and what happened to this chart as of today? Not even this one. This is the chart, let me see. There's no, this is the May 1st chart. Let me go back quickly and get you the real Canadian dollar final chart as of today. You see that? This is what happened. And the old chart was I made on the April is this. So target was 53.76, this weekly high low for wave 5. We end up doing here. This is 53.76 for wave 5. We went up, down, and then finally today. So doing so, CAD was getting strong, CAD index. That means wherever the CAD is on the right hand side, those pair will go down, right? Like USD-CAD, EUR-CAD, Pound-CAD, Aussie-CAD, right? CAD is getting strong. All these pairs should be going down. And then CAD-Yen will go up. Anything CAD is on the right hand side will go up. I mean, sorry, left hand side. CAD is on the right hand side will go down when CAD is getting strong. Knowing that, look what I did. Like I said, if you pay attention, and this is what I teach in my webinar. It's easy, you know, so you learn all this mumbo jumbo. You see, I have the diagrams made. For example, I'm showing part of the diagram here as well. This is made, you know, by me. It's an Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have all kind of diagrams of harmonic patterns, wave 1, wave 2, how, you know, it is made, this, that, the whole. I mean, you know, this is also, you know, I have an authority on Elliott wave and harmonic patterns, and this is what I teach all the time in my webinar, and my charts are based on these diagrams. Okay, so based on that, what I did on let me see if I can get you. Let me show it from the top, from the beginning. Remember, I just showed you. So when the CAD is getting strong, look. Okay, here. What I did yesterday, was the entry here. This is a 7-minute chart. The move already started, and but I found out because I was getting, I was involved in other trades. So, but I saw the opportunity. You know, it's like, you know, wedge, the bearish wedge, and then nice and clean, just below this big number, 75.19. It couldn't go above, and then CAD was supposed to get strong, and it did. I made an entry. You know, price start dropping, moved SL bye, and just watch it, and then all, you know, without any problem, 95 pips, and here I closed the trade, right? Thanks to Trump. Okay, so this is one of those CAD based on CAD index. CAD, pound CAD. Another CAD is USD-CAD. All the way top, this is the level. I forgot to write the level. So just before the level, before it went up, but then Trump, this is what the Trump did. Okay, so it started to drop, and, you know, as soon as, you know, the momentum is gone here and then start dropping, I made an entry. The indicator was all the way down here. There was an entry here, it moved down, and then it knocked me out for probably 15 pip. So this is what it is. A lot of people ask me, you don't show your trade losers. What, you know, I don't want to make you a loser, you know, so why should I show you and teach you how to lose? I'm here to show you how to make. If I lose 15 pip here and then it went up, I made an entry again, and so does it really matter if I lose 15, 20 pip or make a couple of mistakes and then, you know, my SL hit? No. I don't want to waste my time to, you know, just draw these and write down this, date, name, here, there, you know, it's a lot of work. So why would I do that for showing just, you know, a loser for 15 pip, 20 pip, hey, this is how I lost 20 pip. No, forget about that. Just pay attention to how much you can make, and then just go ahead and make, all right? So this is how USD-CAD, second CAD trade based on the CAD index I just showed you. Third trade, look at that. EUR-CAD. Again, it was, as it is, was dropping, and then I had several trades before. Sell, 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 and sell, right? And then it retraced and sell again. There was a sell here. I moved the SL, and, you know, it was gone. I moved too much to the downside, and it went up. But then again, I made an entry. You know, another one, you know, really. I had, you know, few pips here, but doesn't, you know, now worth to make the chart. But from here, look what happened. 150 pips. Straight down. And then it hit the TL. By the way, what TL I'm talking about, I'll show it to you. Because this was all pre-planned from almost like a month, and I've been hitting this pair as it is on the short side. Me and my group, Pound CAD and EUR-CAD. Let me show you the EUR-CAD weekly chart so you will understand what I'm talking about. We've been hitting that pair longest time, man. And it was a beautiful chart, and it just went down very nicely. 800 pip drop, straight line. Okay, this is the chart I made, EUR-CAD chart, back in 14th March. 14th March, and as of today, look what happened. Well, that's what I said, that it hit the TL and I closed. Look what happened. Right from there, from the top all the way down, straight line, more than 800 pips. So we had several trades. I just showed you, sell, 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 sell. And today alone was 150 drop. And I finally said, okay, bye-bye, close the trade. All right. So this is how powerful it is to watch the index. Okay, this is because of this chart. It's beautiful. CAD index, you see, from here it went straight up, and it was coming down, but then Trump did one more push and to the upside, and 53.76 got hit. Nice and clean. Okay, and look how, like nice, by the book, man. This is how powerful it is. The Elliott wave counts. 1, 2, 3, and ABC correction 4, and then wave 5. And that's what I'm showing into this diagram, which I made a long time ago, probably 7 years ago. All of these Elliott wave, wave 1, wave 2, and then subwaves, how they go in the triangle, and then ending diagonal, and leading diagonal, and all of that. I have made diagrams, and then I watch them, the price action according to that. And this is what I teach, that if you learn this a little bit of mumbo jumbo, this is what it does all the time. And 3 different locations it is happening right now. I already made the chart and I gave it to my subscribers to watch. The number one, like 3 of them. 2 of them are like pound index. It's just the inverse. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4 done, and wave 5 to the downside supposed to come in pound index, and pound will be getting weaker. And same situation we have in pound yen. Pound yen is going to drop for wave 5 to the downside. So that is for tonight. So it's happening, the same chart. So, the same thing happens again and again, like rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And you will see them everywhere. But let me just quickly show you something here. Like, for example, pound. Okay, so pound index, let me show you. What happened or what will happen. No big deal, if you know. See, this was the chart I made on the 4th May, that from here, pound index will go up, means pound will get strong, and all pound pair will be going up, and then go and check what happened last couple of days, few days. Right? All the pound pairs, pound CAD, pound yen, they all went up. Right? And then, what happened to this chart? This and this. We are there. What I said that we were going to go there. And now, I said that, okay, and then when the price was here, I said that we're going to go there and coming down, and we are already here somewhere. We started drop, and then we are here. So more drop, pound will get weaker, and all the pound pairs will start to drop. And I'm already in pound yen short and pound USD short. That's 2 at least I remember, and I don't know if anything else. Okay, if I get a chance, then I'll short pound CAD again. Okay, so and pound Aussie, maybe. And so that's what's happening. All right. So you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wave 5. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show you that how powerful it is to learn a little bit about the index. If you can catch these waves on a 29-minute chart, you don't have to learn or do the PhD in Elliott wave. Just learn how major like basic phenomena of 5 wave up, 3 wave down kind of thing. And that's all you need to learn. Don't be, become a professional. You don't need to do that. For example, this is the basic phenomena of Elliott wave, that, 5 wave up, 3 wave down. So we had this 1, 2, this is what I'm following, 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5. This is the wave 5 that CAD index just gave us. And because of that, today alone, more than 300 pip in 3 trades. One was, EUR-CAD 150, pound CAD 130, and then the other 95, pound CAD, and USD-CAD was 130. So you can count. just because of this diagram that was telling that we wave 4 to wave 5, we're going to go up. And then once it's finished, maybe the Trump, they will do something, retaliate or whatever from the other side, and then pound will start, CAD will start, losing ground again. Maybe, let's see what happens. Okay, so this is it for now. And let me go, and then, like I said, if you like what you saw, you want to learn all this and get in, into my group, and especially this strategy is very, very, beautiful strategy. If you understand how to, take these trades, then life becomes very easy. For example, these are the entries. Where the entries go, entry chart. Okay. Let me just show you in the back. You see all of these entries, one by one. When it's traveling, it's like sell, sell. Then it goes up. This is 100 pip here, 70, 80, 100 pips, something like that, right? And then once you hit the pivot, goes up again, set up again, sell. It start to go up. First reversal candle, you can close, or another next level. For example, here where we had a level 53.69, you close, you short again to the bottom level. This is S1, R1, whatever, S1, right? Monthly S1 here. So when it touches here, you close. In fact, you close here, you can short it here again, you can short here, here, and then it's going to do the same thing, rinse, repeat. It's going to go up, make the short setup, and then drop again. If I just showed you, we're hitting the TL, so I don't know if the TL is going to hold and then give us a bounce to the upside, or it will break the TL and go to the downside. I think we're going to do that because, this oil thing, oil is keep going to the upside, and CAD will get benefit out of it, and will get strong. And as CAD index, CAD currency, CAD dollar will get strong, all those CAD, USD-CAD, Pound CAD, Euro-CAD, Aussie-CAD will be going to the downside, and CAD yen will be flying. So this is it for now. Like I said, if you like, just go on my website, myforexmagicweb.com, myforexmagicweb.com. Right there is the name, and then just use the subscribe button, become a member, subscribe, and you have all my recordings, the webinar recordings already posted on my website. With the password on, you'll get the password. You can watch those webinar recording, learn a lot. There's tons and tons of information to learn from, and I give you all these indicators, the EA to build these candles, and my templates, weekly charts with all the setups. Weekly charts, the one that just like I showed you these charts. This one. Right, before charts, weekly I have almost every single pair and index made these before charts with all the bullets and the numbers and everything, everything done for you. You don't have to spend a lot of time, you just need to learn how to pull the trigger when you see the setup. Everything else I have done, and you can just see and learn. That's it. You don't have to do it. Okay. But once you learn, you can do it on your own, no big deal. Open a weekly chart, high, low, and then write down these numbers on your 29-minute chart, and that's it. Okay, just like those numbers right here. These are the horizontal lines, and these numbers I write down. So this is it for now. Beautiful trade, right? All the way, boom, straight 150 pips. All right. So maybe I'll see you in my next webinar. Bye for now, and have a great rest of the week.